I can't stop. Let's catch him. Big brother.
Where to? Where do I go? If you never try, then you'll never know. How long do I have to climb?
Look at you. Beating up, man. Sweat like a pig. Sweat like a
Alright, we're videoing. Here we are at the top of the hill. Andreas is going first. I got you going there, bud. Woo! He's gonna crash. We gotta slow this thing down. Oh man! Look at Ronnie.
Running all over Keith. That was a serious.
Hey buddy, I'm telling you what.
Oh man, I was crying. I'm laughing so hard.
I don't see how you controlled it.
Man, I was using all my feet to stop.
Look where I was going off. Just a little bit of a snowbank here, and I would have been down there.
There's a concrete wall down there. I advise you to miss. Yeah. Look at Keith taking off. Go get him. Go get him, Aldi. You can catch him.
Hey, look! Watch out! Look! Here it goes.
Thank goodness.
What happened to you, slowpoke?
Oh man, I saw you jump out in front. We knew what that was about.
Hey, I hit those curves.
Yeah, it was fast. I'm soaking wet. Where do we leave these? Oh. Sitting on his shoulder. I don't know how you made this curve. Man, with your foot. You lift one foot up. I got the hang of it right at the end. Yeah. I was laughing so hard. My sides were hurting. Audie, he was not going to let me catch it. Where are you? All right. Too bad this wasn't any fun.
I'm